Hi everybody. Today we have gurshan and we're gonna be unboxing the Mighty Express mission station.
Hooray!
Yay!
Yay! Yay! Yay! Yay!
We're gonna open it.
We can eat that.
Hooray!
We can put everything.
We got all the tracks. We got another track. We got a place that rotates. This raises the train. This is the turning piece. We also got platforms. Look, this is the split where we can go two ways.
What is this?
That's for the crane. Look, we got the instructions and the stickers. Now we're gonna cut it open. Look, we got the mission station. Yay! Look, it's a red train.
Yeah,
And it has yellow on it. Let's open the instructions.
Hooray!
It also has some stickers in it. Let's go to step 1. We're gonna use this part. Look, we're gonna attach the gray area. Like this. Get more gray pieces like this. We're gonna get those gray pieces and we're gonna put them on here, alright?
Hooray!
Now we need all the blue pieces. We're gonna get the blue pieces. We're gonna attach them like that.
Hooray!
Now we need more blue pieces so we can make the big train. Are you ready?
Yes.
Now we're gonna make the washing area. We're also gonna need the crane piece that looks like this. This is for the train fixing area.
Hooray!
So we can fix the train. You wanna fix the train?
Yes.
Attach the gray pieces to the bottom. You hold these. Can you help me do that?
I will put it.
Snap it. Push it hard. Good job! Let's go on to the next step. Okay, now, we're gonna put this big part on the train tracks. What are we gonna wash in here?
Say.
Yeah, the train. This is where we wash it. This is where all the water comes. So the water comes over here and then the train gets washed. We're gonna get these poles and we're gonna put them on the station, okay? Can you help me do that?
Yes.
Yay, we got it. What color suit is the character wearing? Blue. Good job. Now we're attaching the station on top of the station.
That'd be great.
So we're gonna finish all the tracks before the next video. So
Hooray!
please watch the next video. So I'm Gurshan and this is Like and subscribe. Bye.